disappear. So they were. How do you end up behind? You always end up so far. Walking to the right.
There's a market.
The market's written. Look at that salad and burgers. Your famous kebab. So last time we walked
there is a market. That's what I thought. People were carrying market kind of products.
Really?
Yeah. Like buckets of strawberries that are not packed, like just a bucket. Want to walk through the market?
Yeah, why not?
It's a big one.
Yeah, that's the pizza.
They walk in and they walk out. Yeah, ready? In and out.
Yeah. If it's helps.
We have fish. You want to film it?
We don't have time for it. That's why I was asking for the time. They also have the chicken being done. This is like the way I imagined it. Yeah. Keep going, keep moving, please. It's for me to wake up.
À pas 62. Ah bon. Il vient en week-end, c'est 150 €.
T'as pas vu moi aujourd'hui? En plus, je lui envoie un message. Ça va bien.
It's holidays, huh? I'm getting lost behind.
Can we go left here?
Yeah, yeah.
Ouais, voilà, mais je l'ai dit dans le premier, j'ai dit le deuxième comme ça, mais maintenant,
See the measure? It's maybe a local farm, local brand. Everything I've ever wanted on a marketplace. That's my idea of a market. I like him. He's walking. Why he's so lost?
Avec ça, mamie, elle n'est pas descendue là. When you walk on a market, you have to follow the
Yeah, but you see all these guys. They do have a crossing, come quickly. In my mind, the goal is to go to get to the beach and come back. That's something I couldn't get to last time. Because then we'll feel fully awake. Then we can drive. What do you want us to drive?
We used to do that too. Qu'est-ce que avec la plage ici.
Last time we were here, it wasn't as hot. It's kind of wintry.
We went right here last time.
So yeah, that's how
Now we went past.
No, we went right.
Now
So
that
now we need to go straight.
we crossed down there. It's closed. The road is closed. Come. So we crossed here last time, then we turn right.
Turn right.
Instead of going straight. Those guys have already gone past us.
Which guys?
When we left the hotel, there was this group of guys.
With the backpacks. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you see they were filling the backpack with, like they had a water tank in the backpack, they were filling it. The hotel on that farm.
Yeah. Walk with them.
We go to the market, huh? So you want to be on the right?
I'm fine filming, I'm fine. The other side was filmed last time.
It's so nicer harbor here. Sailing boats.
I know. What's going on? You didn't know about the weather? A bad touring show?